Hello beautiful people, today we're gonna make condensed milk toffee. Okay, so this is a popular treat in Ghana. It's I'm gonna use 2 tins of condensed milk. You can get it in the grocery store anywhere. This is great value. This is Walmart brand, but you can get any brand, Carnation, whatever you want. And so the basic premise is it's gonna sit on the fire and then it's gonna reduce. You want to put it on medium low, okay, and you're gonna stir. You want to put it on medium low heat so that it does not burn the bottom. All right. Now it's reduced. We're just gonna wait for it to brown a little bit. So see how the liquid has reduced. It's now thick. So we're gonna let it brown. And so it's ready. Depending on how dark you want it, you could keep going for it to get a little bit darker, but I like it like that. So I'm just gonna take it to your surface. Make sure your surface is ready to go. You've greased your cutting board, okay? And your saran wrap is ready to go. Remember, this is very hot, so you got to be fast. Otherwise, it's gonna be hardened on you, and you have to be careful because it's really hot. That's the part that I don't like. It's hot. But I can't, so let me put it back. Let me put it down. And then this is already greased. So I rolled it in the saran wrap. It's really hot. Then I'm gonna divide it up, and then I'm gonna let it cool down. After it cools down, I'm gonna take it out of this wrap. Okay, so this is just to divide it up nicely and neatly, and then after it cools down, I'm gonna unwrap it, and then you're gonna see. So we're gonna see which one. We're gonna take a lot out. I'm gonna see which videos to take out. So now that it's a little bit warm, it's not hot enough, I can cut it and just put it up here nicely. You can cut it whatever size you want, big, small. This is also very addictive. When you start eating it, you can't stop. Okay, this is a nice treat for the kids. So here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is your condensed milk toffee. It's very good, very addictive. Be careful. But I want you to try it.